Welcome to play&clean tutorial, where we will introduce you the super washable water-based paint for interiors. A revolutionary paint resistant to most dirt and totally stain resistant, thanks to the innovative stop stain system and opaque. Formulated in the IVC Research and Development Laboratories, where a series of tests have been performed to obtain this result. Play&clean is in Class 1 of washability and coverage according to European norm EN 13300. Play&clean with stop stain technology constitutes a protective barrier on the wall that prevents substances from penetrating and leaving streaks and stains. It is possible to remove the major substances of daily use such as oil, ketchup, tea, coffee, coca-cola, markers, previously by a simple clean and subsequently with sponge and neutral soap. The residues will be eliminated without damaging and discoloring the wall. Play&clean is suitable for particularly lived environments such as kitchens and bedrooms, but also public places such as shopping centers and hotels. It can be colored with S2K tintometric system. It is available in whites and converter base to obtain deep colors. Play&clean can be produced in thousands of colors, from the most sober to the most lively, allowing you to decorate the various rooms with style and personality. Now also available in the color range of the home decor and color guide collections. Play&clean, choose your home decor color, create your lifestyle.